Meet the Amazon parrot, nature's colorful chatterbox. Known for their stunning colors and playful personalities, Amazon parrots are one of the most popular pet birds worldwide. These intelligent birds can learn hundreds of words and sounds, making them amazing companions. In the wild, they thrive in the rainforests of South America, feeding on fruits, nuts, and seeds. Sadly, habitat loss and illegal pet trade threaten their survival. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these beautiful birds. Love parrots? Hit like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife stories. Thanks for watching.